Sheep. Sheep says moo. So, this is a monkey.